time for Trader's Choice. Which non-tech names are on your radar? Julie.
I'm really interested in the travel and leisure segment, Hilton, et cetera. I'm curious to see what they're talking about in terms of business travel. We know that it's been a fantastic vacation season, you know, YOLO, as far as I can see. But I'm curious because business travel really is the driver of a lot of profitability for airlines and certainly for hotel. You need to fill those rooms Monday to Thursday, you know, in the dead of March. And so I'm curious to see what that looks like going forward, if we're ever going to get back to where we were, or if margins for that are permanently impaired.
BK, how about you?
Well, for me, it's really housing, and Whirlpool's reporting next week. So, you know, the Fed has consistently said that housing prices are too darn high. So I don't want to fight the Fed, and I happen to think that the Fed meetings will continue until housing cracks, and we haven't seen that yet. So I want to see Whirlpool, if people are starting to pull back. Again, what the Fed doesn't want, folks like Steve making, you know, elderberry sorbet in his built-in ice cream maker. That's what they don't want. So I want to I want to see that stop.
I had no idea Steve Leisman was making elderberry in his basement. That's a great food for thought.
I've never heard of it, but it sounds absolutely
delicious. It was delicious. Thank you for that last time I was at your house, Steve.
All right, Tim Seymour. I can't remember if you are still in Whirlpool. You were in Whirlpool at some point. But anyway, what are you watching?
I'm not in Whirlpool. I have no idea what elderberries are, and I don't want them. I'm looking at Visa. I'm looking. I bet. I'm looking at Visa. I'm looking at GM. I'm looking at Chevron. And when I look at Visa, the payment processors obviously are going to give us some insight into spending trends. I think they're going to tell you the spending trends are absolutely fine, and I think it's more in line with some of the things that Julie's looking at as it gets into what the spend is, what hospitality is, what they're going out there and doing these days. I do think they're going to have major FX issues, and I think they're probably not going to give you a guide in anything but constant currency FX. So expect to hear that, even though that's not really what we're worried about. You're back to pre-pandemic valuations in Visa and MasterCard. Very interesting.
Steve?
I'm looking for, actually, I wanted to see the outperformers in each of these different groups. So I wanted an industrial, that's Honeywell. I wanted a consumer name, it's McDonald's. And because what we've heard from Verizon and AT&T has been so negative, I wanted to hear from T-Mobile.
Okay.
So for Honeywell, their aerospace unit has done extremely well. They're presenting at a conference in August. And I've never seen a company schedule a presentation when they have something negative to say. So I think they're going to continue to outperform there. I want to see how the economy is doing in their eyes. McDonald's increased prices 6%. How are they dealing with food inflation? How are they dealing with wage inflation? How is this going to progress down the pike for them? And what are they going to do during the recession? T-Mobile up 14% year to date. Verizon down 14%, AT&T down 25%. I want to see what they are doing right. They're a storied stock.